After unboxing FX5 scooter, you may receive like some spare parts, manual book, charger. This is the toolkit, and also armrests, and lastly seat, which is important. This is how we unfold the scooter, but make sure you just plug the sockets of the battery connections before you use it. Otherwise, there won't be any power on the screen. This is how we adjust the handlebar. And this is how we are installing the seat plus armrests. Make sure you tighten the screws of the armrests. And then start on. You will see the battery power. And that is speed indicator. That button is for lights. And that is horn button. Before you use the scooter, make sure it is on the electric mode. This is the way how we put on the charge. Right now we can use the scooter.